Welcome to Snidbits, where we give you little bits of information on various popular keywords. We always leave the links in the description, so we've done the research for you. Found on road dead. Fix or repair daily. Ford's latest attempt to disassociate themselves with these less than complimentary anagrams was the Ford Bronco Raptor, released in 2021. Though the Bronco model was discontinued in 1996, it maintained a cult status since the original model released in 1963. With a base model price of $69,000, the Bronco Raptor includes a 3.0-liter V6, a very fancy suspension, and gigantic 37-inch tires. Because Ford knows size matters. What's the gas mileage on this beast? Well, 15 miles per gallon in city and 17 on the highway. With current gas prices, you may have to get a second job just to keep go-go juice in that thing. Like the very first generation of Bronco, the Bronco Raptor is again Ford's attempt at keeping up with Jeep. How do the car guys say it compares with Jeep, though? The Bronco Raptor is a good $7,000 less than a Jeep Rubicon. And I admit, it's much prettier. Overall, they're pretty much evenly matched except when it comes to horsepower and miles per gallon. Even with a V8, the Jeep Rubicon is getting 17 to 23 miles per gallon. Being a Jeep snob, I'd say go for the Rubicon if you're serious about off-roading. But if you want to be a concrete jungle size queen, set your eyes on the Bronco Raptor. It doesn't matter how much you want one, though. The 2022 Bronco Raptors are all sold out. You can get yourself on a pre-order list for the 2023 Bronco Raptor, but Ford hasn't announced when they're actually releasing that model. Let's hope George R.R. Martin is not on the production team. Or you can just buy a Rubicon because you can actually get one. Jeep, still winning. While peanut butter was invented by Aztecs sometime in the 14th century, the first peanut butter cookie recipe appeared in Mrs. Rohr's New Cookbook in 1902. The first recipe, including the well-known fork impressions on peanut butter cookies, arrived in 1933. Pushing the cookie dough down with the fork tines provides more even cooking. Peanut butter cookies have become so popular that they actually have their own day. June 12th is National Peanut Butter Cookie Day. Allrecipes.com provides a really simple recipe for making peanut butter cookies with just 3 ingredients. 1 cup peanut butter, 1 cup white shortening, and 1 egg. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your cookie sheet with parchment paper to prevent them from sticking. Combine the peanut butter, white sugar, and egg, mixing until it creates a nice smooth dough. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto the baking sheet and bake at 350 for about 6 to 8 minutes. Just be careful not to overbake them. Yum, that's a recipe so easy even I could do it. What does the internet revolve around? Cats. A Google search of the keyword cats provides 8.6 billion options. Googling porn only provides 5 billion. Cats go viral. All you need is an adorable looking feline and you're set for online monetization. Cats were once revered as gods and they haven't forgotten. The truth is that cats decided to domesticate themselves somewhere around 9,000 years ago. Society breeds agriculture and cats love a vermin buffet. We bred dogs into companions, but cats chose us. Genetically speaking, your fuzzy feline differs very little from their wild ancestor. Those adorable beantoes are still murder mittens. The heart of a serial killer lies within your fuzzy companion. Tabby stripe markings became associated with domestic species of cats around the Dark Ages, but they weren't actually recognized as a full domestic species until around the 18th century. Did you know your cat can heal you? Well, probably not my cat. Aside from moral support, purring actually releases endorphins in humans. The sound is relaxing, and that helps to lower your blood pressure. Cats' purring has been measured to 25 to 140 hertz, which is actually the sound frequency that helps mend bones and heal connective tissue. Purring may actually even help heal respiratory issues and migraine. Wow, I'd say scooping some poop's a lot cheaper than doctor bills. Please spay and neuter your house panthers and adopt from local shelters. And if you're wondering if Yeti's wearing pants in his videos, he's been known not to.